Hey all, welcome back to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe. Friends, in today's video, we will explore essential kitchen vocabulary that everyone should know. From utensils to appliances, you will learn the words that make cooking and talking about food easier and more fun. So, let's get started. Mortar and pestle, spatula, whisk, peeler, serving tray, strainer, chopping board, tong, food thermometer, sieve, grater, rolling pin, rolling board, knife, spoon, funnel, colander, bowl, plate, fork, kettle, steamer, garlic press, dish rack, dish washer, kitchen scale, baking tray, muffin tin, mixing bowl, rice cooker, air fryer, refrigerator, casserole, skimmer, ladle, frying pan, wok, saucepan, mixer, hand blender, slicer, glass, mug, cup and saucer, jug, gloves, apron, pastry brush, teapot, measuring spoons, measuring cups, cooking pot, sink, tap, kitchen towel, paper towel, trash can, pizza cutter, bottle, pressure cooker, toaster, stove, microwave, potato masher, bottle opener, scissors, chopsticks, oven mittens, can opener, lemon squeezer, griddle, citrus juicer, cookie cutter, coffee maker, waffle maker, sandwich maker. That's it for today's video. If you found it useful, please hit the like button. Thanks for watching.